One of the finest emotions in the world is knowing that your money is safe as you handle your everyday costs. Others do it for retirement or peace of mind in case of an emergency, while some people save money for particular goals like a down payment on a car or home. However, trying to save money when you have a limited budget may be incredibly frustrating. You think you don't enjoy life's luxuries and have no money saved up for a rainy day. You could feel helpless to save money and opt to simply live paycheck to paycheck. So in today's video, we will be discussing 4 life hacks to save money for a rainy day. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Cut expenses. Some of the expenses you have, and this may come as a shock, are actually unnecessary. Living without multiple TVs, cables, air conditioners, incandescent bulbs, a water heater, or a water pump will significantly reduce your electricity costs. A high-maintenance vehicle may be replaced, meals can be made at home, and you can discover less expensive entertainment options. 2. Pick a different bank for savings. You could utilize your local checking or savings account, but it might be alluring to have quick access to your money. Additionally, several internet savings institutions provide better interest rates than your typical bank. These FDIC-insured banks have no minimum balance requirements and provide interest rates between 1.75% and 1.80%. There shouldn't be any obstacles in the way of you transferring money from your regular bank. 3. Invest. Investing your profits in a low-return, low-risk, long-term investment strategy that offers a guarantee on the initial investment is another way to preserve money. Numerous financial institutions provide a variety of options that let you park your money with them for an extended period while earning interest. Consult a trustworthy financial counselor about an investment plan that fits your requirements. 4. Stop yourself from impulsive online shopping. When purchasing something from an online store, go for the specific item, such as a DVD player, rather than browsing the broad product category, electronics. According to one study, online buyers who searched by category were 3 times more likely to continue looking after discovering the products they were looking for. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other 4 life hacks to save money for a rainy day with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.